All right, guys. This is our Black Beauty shipping container home. It's only $69,000. Let me show you what you get with this home for $69,000. Okay, this is an 8-foot by 40-foot with 9-foot walls. Fully turnkey, move-in ready shipping container home. It's gonna get a little loud because I'm right here by the road, so I'm gonna try to talk as loud as I can. This is truly made out of a shipping container, so you can see it here how they got the shipping container welded shut on this side. This is actually where the bathroom is at, so when I go inside you'll see that's where the bathroom's at. This is the one we call the Black Beauty. So I'm gonna walk around it real quick, then I'm gonna take you inside and show you what it looks like on the inside. Got some good sized windows here. Again, this is a shipping container home, fully turnkey, move-in ready. On this side, you got your Mr. Cool heating and cooling units, which is included. You got your 200 amp electrical panel. You got your little electrical outlet there. Again, this thing is already plug and play, ready to go, guys. On the back side of it here, you can see you got the vent pipes coming out the top. And you got some windows there. Let me walk around it again and then we'll go inside. So this is what the back side of it looks like. I already showed you the front, so now we'll go inside and show you what the inside looks like. Again, this is the side here where you can really see, obviously this used to be a shipping container that has now been modified to be a full-blown move-in ready home. Again, 8-foot by 40-foot means this sucker's 320 square feet of livable space. Super cool shipping container home. A lot of you guys, we see these all over the internet, but it's rare that you get to see people actually walking through them, and it's really cool to have this one on my lot. It's been one of my best-selling models. I was real hesitant whenever we first started selling them to have shipping container homes, because obviously, as you can see, we do cabins here, but this one has been surprisingly very popular. Okay, let's go inside here. Enough with my yapping. Let's go inside here. So when you walk inside of it, the first thing you see is your little kitchenette area. Okay, so you got a 4-burner induction stove. This is perfect for someone that's not really like into cooking, you know what I'm saying? But let's say you are into cooking, right? What we would do is just replace that section there with a full-blown range with, 4-burner stove oven and everything. So don't even sweat on that. If you're big on cooking, we can replace that 4-burner induction stove and just put your regular stove over there. Good sized counter there. Here's your little sink. Okay. Again, look out your window. You got like a little living room here. Over here, you got your refrigerator, microwave. There's your front door. You got your little Mr. Cool thermostat to control your heating and cooling. You got your light switches. Behind these walls, it's already got insulation in it. We can do either the fiberglass or the spray foam. This one's got the spray foam in it. Again, you got your sliding barn doors here for privacy that goes into your bathroom. So let me show you what that looks like when it's closed. So that's what it looks like when it's closed. So you're handling your business in the bathroom, you close it up. When you're done, it slides right open. And you'll notice on the other side where the bedroom's at, we got a slider over there as well. So we'll go there next. When you walk in the bathroom, one of the things that caught my attention, obviously you got some natural light with the windows, but one of the things that caught my attention right off the bat was how much space you got here around the toilet, right? So you got your LED lights. So around the toilet, look how much space you got. So you could literally, if you wanted to, put a tub over here where the shower's at. There's enough room to easily, if you don't want a walk-in shower, you want a tub, as you can see, all kinds of space there to where we can change this out, put you a tub here if you don't want just a stand-up shower. So keep that in mind. That's another upgrade when we sell these. A lot of people rather have a tub or maybe even a larger walk-in shower than this one here. Well, you got the space for it, obviously, because look how much space you got around the toilet. Okay. Again, you got your sink here. Couple towels hanging up just to kind of showcase it for you. Again, this is what there's your light switches. Again, this is what it looks like when you got your sliders closed from inside the bathroom. So you're handling your business and you got privacy, okay? Again, you got your little shower here, vent, and that's what that looks like, okay? So let's keep it moving. Open it up. Again, to my left is your front door. To the right here is your kitchenette area. Refrigerator, microwave, stove. Again, we can replace that electric 4-burner stove with a full range right there if you'd rather prefer that. Nice counter space, thermostat, and then, like I said, a little living room over here. Again, notice that these two windows, this one here and this one here, allows all kinds of natural light to come in, along with the glass on the front door. So between the glass on the front door, the one in the bathroom, the window there, and these two, as you can see, is very light and very airy inside the shipping container home. In fact, inside of this home, you would have never known from the outside looking in that this was a shipping container home.
Hey everybody! We are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops, very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but yes, we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But
yep,
some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's yep, really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy. Very handy.
Yes. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different.
Mm-hmm.
They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue
Very
concept,
cool,
which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. The walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom we just showed, this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your windows. Again, windows galore, guys, from the top of the ceiling to the bottom. You see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim, and then you have an electrical outlet down there. And I just love it. It's like I said, it's like that Scandinavian look to it. Just absolutely beautiful. You can kind of see the size of it now that we're out here. Nadia is about 5'2", 5'3", so you can kind of see how large the structure is. And again, we can either build it with a hitch on a trailer, on a 4-axle trailer system, or we can build it on skids if you just want to put it on a permanent foundation.